to Moms and Kids Kitchen. We're so grateful for everything you guys are doing. Continue to support us and share our videos. We promise you when this video grow up, all of you will benefit. Nothing will. You people will not go in vain of this. So we say thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you for the old ones, and thank you for the returners. Everybody, we say thank you. So now today we have amazing Sierra Leone food. Our local food, amazing one. We call it tangajesah. We make it with cassava, boiled cassava with light soup. Boiled cassava, the boiled one, boil it and boil it. But the Mende, they call it tangajesah. The cassava they because for everyone tangajesah. So now we're coming to make tea. Then we make light soup. Normally they make out different types of food, of sauce. So they make out beans. If you want, they make out granite soup. If you want, make out pepper soup. So now 3 sauce we can make for tangajesah, for boiled cassava. Amazing video. Try it, guys. So now they can make today. So join me in my kitchen. Make it. So stay tuned. We are going to say guys, let's go now. We are going to do we are going to remove the cassava, eh?
Yeah, I'm going to remove the cassava.
So you are going to remove the cassava. So let's go remove the cassava, right?
Yeah.
Follow us.
First, we have to get this funny biscuit to Lilia.
Let's go.
Lily, give me her. You have to play. Lily, Maria, good morning, Kitty. Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Maria.
So guys, now we're outside. Now this is not the cassava. Some of them don't remove them. And this, now we got them. We don't remove some. Plant another one. So now they can remove only these 2 one. We don't let these 2 stick. This thing all. Tag you? Can you remove the cassava?
Yeah.
You know how to remove it?
Whoa! Mommy, you got super drink. You can do it. Don't give up.
Let us see.
Whoa! Mommy!
I see potato inside. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the potato will be plant.
Look.
Can I hold it?
So guys, see the potato.
Let me help. Yay. Plant, why? Planting is good.
Yeah. Until they make you save you money, not they spend.
You got potato.
Video.
Hey, I want to hold this one.
So I can remove this one. Hey, it's not a giant.
Hey, now we can do it.
So giant.
Hey.
Guys, come on, go out from there. Hey, video this video it. Guys, see cassava. Oh my God.
Yeah, cassava is
What's in one?
done.
One of the roots. Guys, see cassava. I cannot tell root, so that the cassava root is so.
Yeah, na cassava.
Like maybe if you want to share. Guys, it's a mansion.
Yeah.
Oh my God. See how big it is.
This one, I mean, like this one. Yeah, cassava.
Guys, see the cassava. Wow. How big. Well, they can't pull alone as here. It's big.
This one rotten.
This one rotten. See this one. You get water you dey what thing?
The ring.
It's big.
Very big. So
Yeah, this one too big.
So guys, now they can peel the cassava. As I tell her today, say the video go long. I just hope let this cassava let cook. So now they can make they can cut them. Tangajesah where they cut them. Una not laugh me the when I just say. The tangajesah where they cut us, like they cut us are small. You know they cut us are big like where they make the other one. It need a small, okay? So now, when I can't see how they cut them, okay? I don't know. I wish you know yourself. So when I cut them small like this. Why don't cut and I will show you the size. I if the size for look like the lightness, I for lights, then I comment so I will do it. Anyway, I will do all that, but time to time. Then I will try for post the videos every Sunday. For post the videos. So now only one video for the week at this every day. So I will do it 2 times. 2 videos every week, but now I use it too much. I do, you know, I will do my own business, so I'm not going to do 2 videos for the week. A warm, it not boil anyway, but it's not bad. It can also if you want, because we put the pot lid, but it warm. Not put her inside cold water. Oh, anyway.
It was smart.
Hey, it will cool this cassava. But plant na garden if I know. For like cook, I don't get for show you time. I don't know when he go cook. So they just get for the check until you know that. So guys, now you see the cassava. The cassava it cook very fast. I'm so glad that it cooked like this. I'm surprised. You know, this cassava from Sierra Leone people I can plant, and so you know how cassava look like where they cook is so fine. So I come out. So now I can put cold water inside because I can go boil and no need for let it cold before boil. Let not roast you out. So they put cold water with salt. I not put salt inside because when you not put salt inside, it will cook faster. When not cook salt inside when they boil them. So I make I not put salt. Now I can put the cold water inside. Then I put the salt. Then I left them small time for let it cool. So like see the salt. Like if I use tablespoon or any amount, but not for over pass mark. Oh, you want that use spoon, eh? You want. So now you see. So I will put on the water. Okay. I will put on and let it cool. Wait, cool. I go show now for bowl now. So guys, now the cassava don't do. Hey, the water one small, but they can't bowl. I not get time. I will go in the shop. So now we can bowl now. It's a bowler, cassava ball. Get for squeeze the water. Make sure you squeeze the water all for let it go. The water I use what be show now for what show now what they put inside the pot, the cassava, and I put salt inside. The same water in this. Not change the water. If you put the salt, not change the water again. Because if you change the water again, all this taste will go out because the salt be inside. Okay, you see how the ball there? And so for ball, make sure all the water go out, the ball and fine. Then you put her inside your bowl. Actually, the ball clean. Yes. You see how it there? You ball and you ball all until everything ball. You don't ball everything out.
Squeeze them like this. You see the water?
So guys, now we can blend the pepper. And we'll blend out with small yabas because yabas you get for put slice yabas and the soup. So do the blender.
So
you know when pepper finish, and the tomatoes on it, mama, on it. Okay, off it, mama. Now don't blend the tomatoes. Now they can go cook the soup now. So long go cook the soup.
yeah.
Guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to cook? Tagrid, are you ready?
Yes.
Watch me, Tagrid. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now you have to start. What's first you have to go and cook? Okay, let's talk. I forget. So now they can prepare the soup now. So these young ladies now they can prepare. No, yabas first.
Yabas.
Put the yabas.
Yabas. And they cut onion. Mommy, cut onion.
Yes,
also.
it's called onion in English, but in a Creole it's yabas.
Yes.
So they put the yabas.
Yabas.
You know pepper soup. The yabas they slice them, they blend some, now the pepper, then the balance you put them like that.
Next.
Then next put the pepper. Forget for put tomato paste. Forget for remove. Next, okay. Tagiro put Maggi.
That you want to put the Maggi.
Okay, you put the Maggi.
Yeah.
Salt. Okay.
And the last ingredients.
Put the tomatoes. No,
I want me to
tomatoes are the left hand for now. Let it steam first, so everything steam. Then I can put the tomatoes.
okay.
Left that one. No, just put and down. Take spoon.
Okay. So we mix that.
Press and go down.
Let's see freeze.
Okay.
Then we
Guys.
cover around. Just
So now the left hand for let it steam just for 5 minutes.
Hey.
For let it steam. The yabas steam fine and everything. They can put the tomatoes. We'll put the fresh tomatoes and the thin one, the paste. Cover that.
Let me cover it.
okay.
The 5 minutes done, we can put the tomatoes.
Wow. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah. See how it look like.
Mommy, can I put it first?
Okay, mama, no, put it like that. Put it inside. This now the tomato paste. Yeah, the tomatoes.
We blend it today.
No, this one is not the fresh one. This one is the thin one inside the container.
Blend it.
So put the blend one. Put the tomato, the fresh one. So this now the tomatoes, the fresh one. Turn all.
Whoa.
Jasmine, bring water, okay? Take the chassis one. Okay, Tagido, take the chassis. Yes, Jasmine, remove it and give her.
And me. Should we take two?
Bring it. One only, one.
Water.
So now we cover and guys, we don't put some water inside.
I want to cover it. Mommy, can I cover it?
So they cover and let cook for 15 minutes. So guys, now the soup done ready. put the thing at the table. Okay, now they put the soup, eh?
Yeah.
Actually, I want for food.
Yes.
For
Definitely.
Food, fresh fish.
Really?
Delicious, like you are eating it.
Gizzard.
So now see now how they put them. That's how they do, and that's how they can eat them. The ball, fish. We put fish, we put gizzard, we put for food. The gizzard.
It's like I want to eat only the soup.
Only the soup. But this soup has pepper inside. You don't like pepper.
I have to make my own
So
with
now,
no
guys,
pepper on it.
this is the cassava with pepper soup.
Who do that thing?
Guys, if you love this wonderful recipe, this Sierra Leone and tangajesah or cassava ball with light soup.
Yeah.
If you like it, you have to subscribe, comment, and share.
Subscribe to your channel.
Please
Like.
share our video.
Mommy.
Like
Subscribe
our video. If you want, the ingredient is in the description box, so you can go there and check for the ingredients. You can find all the ingredients.
Okay, Mommy, let us talk.
So, what do you have to say?
I want to sleep by the bus.
Okay, so
I'm feeding mommy.
thank you.
Sleep by the button.
Subscribe
To subscribe.
and like us, eh?
And like us.
The description
I
box
like
contains
it.
the ingredients.
So, guys, welcome to the new subscriber and the old one. Thank you very much for your
staying with
support.
us.
And please, for all the subscribers, continue to
Mommy, I want to feed you first.
then share our video, please. So, say bye for now.
Bye-bye.
See you next week. Bye bye. We love you. Mwah.
Bye. See you in the next video. Bye. See you in the next attack.
Well, I thought for it.